How to remove items from cart on shop app. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this tutorial you'll learn how you can remove items from cart on the shop app, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your shop application just like I have done here, and then once you're logged in you'll be brought to the home page where you can see products that you can get easily on the shop app. And then once you can see this, the next step is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see some icons, which includes the home icon, notifications, the cart icon, the orders page, as well as your profile icon. Then since you are trying to remove items from your cart, the next thing to do is to navigate to your cart icon and then click on it. So after doing that, you'll be brought to your cart page where you'll see all of the items that you've added to cart. For me, I've only added one item, and then to remove items from cart is by moving them one after the other. And how do you do so? On the just navigate through to the item that you'd like to remove, then move to the right side where you can see three dots, and then click on it. After clicking on it, a box will be displayed at the lower part of the screen, which shows move to favorite, remove from cart. So just go ahead and click on remove from cart, and then just like that, that particular product will be removed from cart. So just do this for all of the products that you can see there, and then all your items will be removed from your cart. It is so simple. Yeah, so I believe this video is understandable enough. So go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.